Welcome to Learn English Like a Native. The Lion King. Plot overview. The story begins with the birth of Simba, the young lion prince of the Pride Lands, a vast, African kingdom ruled by his father, Mufasa. Simba is excited about his future as king, but his journey to the throne isn't straightforward. Mufasa teaches Simba valuable life lessons, especially about the circle of life, which is the idea that all living things are interconnected and must respect each other for harmony in nature. Simba's uncle, Scar, is jealous of Mufasa's position as king and wants the throne for himself. Scar tricks Simba into a dangerous situation, leading to Mufasa's death. Scar convinces Simba that he's responsible for his father's death, and Simba runs away, feeling guilty and broken. In exile, Simba meets two fun-loving characters, Timon a meerkat and Pumbaa a warthog, who help him forget his troubles. With their carefree philosophy, Hakuna Matata, meaning no worries, they become close friends, and Simba grows up in their company, trying to put his painful past behind him. However, when his childhood friend Nala finds him and tells him how Scar has ruined the Pride Lands, Simba realizes he must confront his past. Inspired by his father's spirit, Simba returns, faces Scar, and reclaims his place as king, restoring balance to the Pride Lands. Key themes. 1. Circle of life. This concept is central to the story, symbolizing the interconnectedness of life. Mufasa explains that when lions die, they become part of the earth, nourishing the grass, which then feeds the animals, showing how all life is connected. 2. Responsibility and growth. Simba's journey, from a carefree cub to a responsible king, reflects the struggles of growing up, facing fears, and accepting responsibility. 3. Identity and self-discovery. Simba struggles with his identity after losing his father. His return to the Pride Lands symbolizes his acceptance of who he truly is. 4. Good vs evil. The film highlights the contrast between Mufasa and Scar, showing the impact of a kind and just ruler versus a selfish, power-hungry one. Memorable characters. Simba, the main character who grows from a naive cub into a wise and courageous king. Mufasa, Simba's father, a noble and wise king, who teaches Simba about life and responsibility. Scar, Simba's cunning uncle who represents betrayal and greed. Timon and Pumbaa, Simba's comedic and carefree friends who introduce him to Hakuna Matata. Nala, Simba's childhood friend and eventual queen who helps remind him of his responsibilities. Soundtrack and cultural impact. The movie's soundtrack, composed by Elton John and Tim Rice, with scores by Hans Zimmer, became iconic. Songs like Circle of Life, Hakuna Matata, and Can You Feel the Love Tonight helped make The Lion King a cultural phenomenon. Its success led to a Broadway musical adaptation, sequels, and a live-action remake in 2019, cementing it as one of Disney's most beloved stories. Is there a particular aspect you'd like to know more about?
Keep it up. Every lesson helps you get better. At English. We're excited to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to share and like and subscribe for more lessons.